Hello, my name is Mary. I work at the MO Perfect Library, East Branch. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami pine tree out of a dollar bill. All you need to make the origami pine tree is $1. Maybe a bone folder if you want to make sure you get the creases, point. You can do these for presents, Christmas presents, holiday presents, tips. An amount up to you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We'll fold the dollar bill into half, long right. Match up the corners and then unfold it, and we're going to fold it in half one more time. Meet the top. And now we're going to fold it in half just above the little O, so right about there. Line up at the edges since you can't see the bottom, and there is no bottom. Okay, now we're going to take this corner and meet it to this invisible line that's underneath the top part. We've got it about that, so we'll mash it down. Do the same thing with the other side. Unfold it. I will take one side, open it up for a squash fold, and shoot for the bottom to be even. And then flatten the squash out. Do the same thing to the other side. Shoot for the bottom to be even. And squash that down. Now this is not always going to be perfect. As you can tell, it just did not want to agree with me and not lining up, but it's done. I'm going to take this corner and meet it to the half in the middle of $1. I'm going to do the same thing with the other corner. That was pretty even. One more fold and we're almost done. After duplicate of it, second fold. We're going to fold that corner to meet the line. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Take this corner and meet it up to this line. Flip it over and you have your dollar tree. Thank you for watching the video on how to make an origami pine tree out of a dollar bill. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified for other future videos. Have a great day. Bye.